Hello and welcome to this program, which takes a close look at the charismatic Bulleid Pacifics. The Bulleid Pacifics of the Southern Railway were locomotives like no other in Britain. From the start, they represented a radical break from traditional design. And when heavily rebuilt some years later, they became, in effect, the last mainline steam design in the UK. Oliver Bulleid had been Nigel Gresley's assistant on the LNER, where he'd become known as an innovator and an admirer of French practice. He was appointed Chief Mechanical Engineer of the Southern Railway in 1937. The Southern steam fleet at this time had rather fallen behind developments elsewhere, as the board, under Sir Herbert Walker, gave top priority to electrifying its vast suburban network. Bulleid's remit was to turn this situation around and bring the Southern to the forefront of British steam design. The merchant navies were the first and larger of the Bulleid Pacifics. First introduced in 1941, they were officially designated mixed traffic to keep within wartime regulations, which decreed that all new designs had to fit with plans for the war effort. But the real purpose behind Bulleid's designs was for express passenger work, and after the war they fully justified the risks he'd taken in boldly pushing his ideas forward.